Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change system sounds on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So to do it, go to the settings, then just go to sounds and vibration, then go to system sound, and now you can change the system sound theme. Click on that. And you can set it to Galaxy, Calm, Fun, or Retro. I'm gonna turn the volume up a bit. Yeah, I think I need to change the system sounds volume. Yes. It's not really noticeable in the microphone right now, but I assure you there are different sounds and they will be used for Samsung keyboard, for phone keypad, volume buttons, low battery notifications, charging, changing sound mode, whatever. It'll be used for everything on your phone, so you can just choose any of those, then start using your phone and see if you like this theme. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.